What if I told you that the reason you're still in debt isn't because you're bad with money, but because the entire system is designed to keep you there? Imagine standing at the threshold of a new financial reality, where every product you've ever been sold, credit cards, car loans, affordable monthly installments, even those seemingly generous reward programs, was never truly designed to help you achieve wealth. Instead, these tools acted as velvet shackles, quietly locking millions into a cycle of monthly payments, each one nibbling away at your future. Now, in 2025, the rules have evolved in silence. Those who cling to the old scripts will find themselves stuck in the same loops, while a new class of financially free individuals quietly rises above, not through luck or inheritance, but by rewiring their relationship with money itself. The first step in this new game isn't about pinching pennies or denying yourself small pleasures. It's not about skipping your morning coffee or canceling your favorite streaming service. True transformation begins much deeper, by flipping your entire financial identity on its head. It starts by confronting your debt DNA, the psychological blueprint encoded by years of societal messaging, marketing manipulation, and emotional habits. Each unnecessary purchase you made was not a random act, but a response to triggers planted in your mind. The fear of missing out, the pressure to keep up, the dopamine rush of one-click buying. Recognize that, for most people, the solution isn't a higher paycheck. The real enemy is friction, the invisible forces that separate you from financial clarity. Friction appears as lifestyle inflation, that urge to upgrade everything the moment your income grows. It's peer pressure spending and emotional buying, often nudged by sophisticated algorithms that know your vulnerabilities better than you do. The next step is to redefine what assets truly mean in this new era. In 2025, the world has shifted. Your attention is now an asset, fiercely competed for by every brand and platform. Your skills have become currency, more valuable than any physical possession, and your time has transformed into a commodity, something that can be traded, leveraged, and multiplied. The old playbook said you should pay off debt with hard-earned income, trading hours for dollars, hustling until burnout. The new strategy, however, is revolutionary. It's about leveraging skill-based micro-income systems, automated, digital streams that generate revenue around the clock. Not the overhyped world of dropshipping or gig freelancing, but a smarter approach. AI-assisted info products that publish themselves, niche consulting delivered through private messages, silent brand licensing that puts your digital identity to work even while you rest. Imagine for a moment what happens when your passive income matches your monthly debt payments. Suddenly, you're not just chipping away at debt, you're erasing it with exponential force. Each new system you build accelerates the process, creating a snowball effect that multiplies your freedom month after month. This is not about working harder, but about engineering systems that work for you. Step 3 is what can be called income reversal. It's the ultimate flip, making your income serve you, not the other way around. This is achieved through compounding digital equity. Think about content that keeps earning long after you create it. Audiences that grow organically and generate value on their own. Systems that continue to scale without your direct involvement. The more you build, the more your financial gravity shifts. You move from being a worker for money to being an architect of automated value. And then, one day, you notice a quietness entering your financial life. The constant noise, the low-level anxiety that used to make you check your bank app every few hours starts to fade. You're no longer living paycheck to paycheck, no longer bracing for the next bill. Instead, you watch your systems, your digital assets, your automated projects, each one quietly working, compounding, and growing in the background. This is the silence of true financial stability, a calm that comes not from luck, but from design. But here's the final twist, the shift that separates the truly free from those still climbing. Real financial freedom in 2025 isn't just about being debt-free. It's about being mentally free from money anxiety altogether. You reach a point where you stop chasing money and start designing your life. Financial decisions become intentional, not reactionary. The weight is gone. You see clearly the illusions that once held you, the marketing narratives, the social pressures, the endless race for more. The journey from debt to freedom is not paved with endless hustle or sacrificial frugality. It's built on precision, on well-designed systems, and, most importantly, on the courage to unlearn what you've been taught. It's about embracing the idea that wealth is not something you earn solely through labor or luck, but something you engineer through awareness, automation, and strategic action. While most people will continue scrolling through their feeds, searching for the next shortcut, the next big promise, you have the chance to operate at a different level. To step out of the crowd and into the small circle of those who understand the truth, that real wealth is never accidental. It's the result of deliberate choices, engineered systems, and the willingness to see beyond the surface. This is the new wealth game. It begins with self-awareness, evolves through the strategic use of your skills and attention, and culminates in the creation of systems that liberate you from the grind. The choice to play is yours. Will you continue running on the treadmill, or will you step off and start building the life you were always meant to live? The future belongs to those who refuse the illusion and instead design their own financial reality.